Do you know? Cough is not a disease. It's your body's warning sign. Cough can be caused by cold and viral infections, dust and pollution, or even smoking and passive smoke. Sometimes, acid reflux, allergies, or dry air irritate your throat and trigger continuous coughing. If a cough lasts for many days, it could be due to asthma, sinus problems, or low immunity. Ignoring it can make things worse. Drink enough water, avoid pollution, and consult a doctor if cough lasts more than 2 weeks. Your health is your real wealth. For more simple health tips like this, subscribe to Wealth and Well and take care of yourself. Credits: voiceover by Wealth and Well.